What the heck? It looks so weird just floating by itself. My room looks so much bigger without the closets right here.
Diamonds blingin', carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blingin', carols singing, favorite season. They said say Nick, but you got a bit.
To put my jewelry, I just taped 3 of them together, or like a couple of them, and then I just put them around this hoodie. So hopefully that won't get tangled.
I got racks in my sack, curve my back, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen.
So we have this whole U-Haul truck filled with my stuff. It's really dark in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's like filled. There's my chair, my bookcases, everything, my vanity. Can't believe we all fit it in this. And then I have my car over there filled with a bunch of other stuff. And this is literally my whole room, all the furniture. Right now it's like 12:30-ish, and we have the elevators booked from 2 to 4. So we're trying to get there on time. I'm also really out of breath. Even though I didn't help with any of that, I was putting the small stuff in my car. But we have that from 2 to 4, and my brother's coming. It's the first time he's ever been inside the unit, so it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise. And I haven't even had coffee yet today, so.
What the heck?
I can't believe we fit everything in my room. Oh, actually, except my bed. I'm ordering a new bed so I can have a bed here when I like come over and stay and stuff. So I'm getting a new actual bed frame, new mattress, and new headboard. So like completely new everything. I will talk to you guys when we're at the apartment. Woo-hoo! My room in a box. To use the elevator, you need like an elevator form, then like the check, and I put the check, but it's in there in one of my cabinets. So good thing I remember that, because we're not leaving at the same time, and you can't get the elevator if you don't have that. Oh, actually, I think you could have done like a credit card deposit, but yeah, what I just realized is I forgot to check for the elevator in one of the things. If we don't find it, he said you could use MasterCard. Like you could just pay with credit card. Yeah, so I might have to do that, but I only watched myself tan. Looks kind of good. Not the time, Sadie. Guys, my hair today is not it. It's because I didn't use my Revlon brush dryer that I always talk about. It's all strawy and broken. It's all flat on the top. My hair looks so bad.
Cancel the trip.
I'm canceled. I canceled myself. I said about time. That's so rude. So I'm saying goodbye to my house. My house.
Let me ask you some questions. What are you most nervous about living on your own?
It would definitely be, well, it wouldn't really be like this if it wasn't COVID, but because of the situation that we're in, it's like definitely just really scary to be on your own all the time. Not really from like a safety perspective, but from just like a happiness perspective. Like, yes. I have to learn how to be happy by myself, waking up by myself, not having anyone to say good morning to in real life, going to bed by yourself, eating meals by yourself, when I'm used to just like always being around people.
Toronto is in lockdown right now, which means only essential businesses are open, and you're supposed to stay home and not socialize with anyone outside your household. But people who live alone are allowed to join one household, so you'll be joining us. And because Victoria will also be joining us, she lives alone downtown, you two will be able to get together, because if you're both joined us, then you're in the one household. Okay, so what's the thing you're looking the most forward to?
Oh my gosh, okay, one thing, I think it would definitely just be like how independent, not really independent, but kind of just like finally making my own decisions and not really having to like cater to anyone's time schedule. Yeah. Like, you know, like being part of a family, it's like, oh, you have to be home for dinner and then you have to da-da-da. So it's just like, you can just do stuff for yourself.
So do you want to know like my
what are you looking forward to?
Well, first I'll tell you, what did I ask you first?
What are you not looking forward to?
The thing you're scared about or worried about the most?
I know what it is.
Well, it's your diabetes, for sure. I mean, that will be the rest of my life worrying about. And the thing I'm looking most forward to, not having to the peace and quiet. I don't think your subscribers know how crazy I am, how silly, and like I'm doing TikTok dances all the time. Yeah, you are such a big presence in the house. It's gonna be really strange. It's gonna feel empty. And
in the morning I'm like screaming good morning.
Christopher and Victoria, they're both calmer than you, so when they left to go to school,
I took over. I know, I'm the attention hog, okay? We understand.
there.
Oh my goodness, guys, it's actually crazy. The people before us were booking the elevator. They had the elevator booked till 2, and then they literally locked the keys inside of their car without knowing if the guys didn't. I don't even. Anyways, so the people before us ran like half an hour late, so now we have only an hour and a half to fill everything in. But we have a lot of stuff here. We have like my chair, my carpet, my cubicle thing. We have this other carpet. We have all of my desk stuff and stuff like that. And then we still have bookcases and everything to come, but they're all downstairs. I should probably go be helping right now, but like I'm out of breath. This is like so stressful just trying to get everything in because we have a limited amount of time. And there's the people who booked the elevator from 4 to 7 and we're supposed to end at 4. So let me just go and help them. So we successfully got everything in the apartment everywhere, and now we're just gonna start like filling stuff. But we ordered this huge mirror from Ikea that you've seen in like every single YouTuber's room. It's a huge one. I'm just gonna unwrap it right now, so hopefully I don't break it, but there you go. And now when you're sitting here, you can't really tell, but you can see the water back there. The lighting here is so good. Oh, that is crazy. Oh my God. This vlog's literally just gonna be like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be helpful now. Okay, now we're rolling out the carpet that's going in my room. This is the carpet that used to be in my room, so nothing special. A really bougie bed. Oh, it's festive too. Do I smell coffee? Thank you. Look at this aesthetic. Almond milk latte per use.
Oh, this is good.
Okay, right now we're gonna be putting the shelves on this thing, which I used to have in my closet, but we're gonna put a little bit more since this is all the hanging space that I have. One extra shelf on each. I hope that I can fit all my clothes in here. Comment down below right now if you think I'm gonna be able to fit all of my clothes in here. And then comment down below and see if you're right, and don't lie. Did you hit your head on the shelf? This took me like 20 minutes to do in my old house. My old house.
Yeah.
Your old house.
Hey, we got a time schedule.
You're not doing anything. I know that while I'm editing this, I'm just gonna be like, wow, your hair looks really bad all the time. We're not gonna discuss that. He's looking at my hair. Okay, I'm never not gonna blow dry my hair after I have a shower ever again. So, our other car battery died, so we have to go boost it. Right now it's 4 o'clock. I feel like we've been doing this for so long, but we literally have so much to do. Okay, something bad always has to happen in the Aldis family. I'm so out of energy. I have like no energy left. This lighting really do not be flattering. I'm wearing Birkenstock with socks. Mom would kill me. She hates when I wear socks and sandals. I think it's pretty much a vibration. Okay, literally, remember when we said that the next time something goes wrong with the Volvo, we're gonna get a new car?
See, that happened in like 2014.
I know. Once we were on a trip to Nova Scotia, literally like a 20-hour drive, and our car just kind of stopped working, and we drove there.
No, it didn't stop working. Remember, it didn't start. That's why we had to fill up the gas.
Oh, right. There was something that we couldn't fill up the car without, like we would literally have to get gas and then not turn the car off, because if we turn the car off, the car would stop working. Oh my gosh, I always almost, oh my god, I almost hit that ball.
Damn.
Now we're going
Good job.
Oh, thanks. Y'all, this is crazy. It's a hectic vlog, and the thing is like I'm so stressed already, but like then I have to vlog everything and it's like I forget to, and it's like I'm so sorry if this is a bad moving vlog, and the lighting's probably gonna get really bad because the sunlight's going down, so but my mom is staying with us for a couple of days, with me for a couple of days. We have a ton more stuff to do. Currently we are jump starting our other car. Anyways, I'm also really not used to doing this much physical activity today, so I'm eating a fruit bar currently.
Wait, look, it's so soft. Oh my gosh,
it's like
Those things hurting.
You look like it's hurt. Oh my gosh, it's like so like faded.
Oh yeah. See, look at
It's like one of those pillows where like one way it's like smooth and the other way it's like rough. It's like really nice and bright. But okay, whatever, I'll show it tomorrow. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. My cute little bed. like an hour later and I officially put all of my clothes somewhere. So I have all of this stuff kind of that was already there. Then in my closet I have hoodies up there hanging here, and then I just put my pajamas in 2 bins back there. Extra stuff. What we're also going to do is put all of like my summer stuff and stuff that I don't usually wear in my locker room, so I can just go there whenever I want. First drawer I have like socks and underwear, and then I have like nicotine underwear, bras, and then other like sleeping stuff. Third drawer, leggings, mostly like a workout drawer, leggings, sports bras, and workout shirts, and I kind of subconsciously did it like color coordinated, didn't really mean to do that. Then under my bed I have all the extras and like my bathing suits and stuff. I can't believe I fit all of my clothes in this place, like except my jackets and stuff, but like I fit everything. I had 2 bookcases in my closet like originally, so we put one of them here and then we put one of them over here. We're watching Madagascar right now, but that is going to be like my pantry, like half of it down there. Probably we're gonna put like cupboard doors on it, and then up there we're gonna have like decorations and stuff. We're getting pizza for dinner from Planta. It's like vegan gluten-free pizza that's Hawaiian. Okay, so I just did some work on my laptop and I was just catching up on literally everything, and now I have pizza. This is from Planta, Yorkville. Okay, we've been there before. It's actually where I took this Instagram photo, and we got vegan gluten-free pizza. It's kind of like Hawaiian, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my gosh, it is so good. If you can go, well, I guess order from this place. It's so good. We've had it before. 11 out of 10. So crazy after I just did my makeup and my mom did my hair. She did this like cool, I don't know, ponytail thing. You guys kind of saw it, but I don't know why I just like didn't like my hair, and I think it's just because of the shampoo that I'm using, and also the fact that I didn't blow dry it and then I just slept with it and I brushed it the next morning. Anyways, so you guys don't really care about that. This morning we've been watching Alicia Marie's Vlogmas every single morning, because I feel like last year I didn't watch any Vlogmas because I was so focused on YouTube, so I just like didn't really watch anyone else's. And now I am trying to catch up every single day on Alicia's. I'm on Vlogmas day 14 right now, so every single morning we're watching that. And I remember in the first or second vlog I was showing the remote for my TV on my phone, but I hadn't set it up yet, so I'm gonna show you right now. Once again, this is the like Roku TV, so you go to the Roku app and you can literally control it from your phone. So I can play, mute it, I can go back to home and it'll go to like my home screen, and you can like go left, right. It's insane. So super helpful for when you can't find your remote. Today we have someone coming just to like fix something with our dryer, so they're coming at 11:30, and then we have plans to build this cabinet that we bought for my bathroom, and we're basically just gonna like take all the stuff that has been in these bins forever and actually put it away, which is so exciting. And I got to actually like put stuff where it's going to go, put my makeup away, and probably not live out of this bag anymore. Oh yeah, I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon, so I'm gonna go get that, and that is it for today. Look at those. It's like rose gold and clear. I don't know if you can tell, but
Cute. Pretty.
oh, and it like lights up. I think you need batteries. It's like a chromey gold. Like it's not like yellow gold, which I really like. And I'll probably put that over there. Okay. It is the next day. I don't know how many days are gonna be in this vlog, but right now we have this cabinet that my parents actually built for me yesterday. I will link it down below, but it's basically a corner cabinet. So I'm just gonna tilt the camera. Up here we have one little door thing with lots of shelves. Here we have an empty shelf, and then down here we have one more. So this is really hard to do in filming with like a bunch of stuff. I will make a whole other video of like kind of redoing it, making it a little bit more organized, but I'm literally just filling up this whole cabinet with all my bathroom stuff now. Definitely gonna need some reorganization, but this is what I have so far. Up there I have weird first aid things and things that I never use, contacts and glasses stuff, hair products, skin products, and more skin products. And I'm thinking of getting like a Lazy Susan that just spins around for like all of these, so it'll be way more organized. I have my skincare headband there, and then down here I have tanning, nails, and body. So it's like deodorants and like lotions and stuff. And down here, we're not even gonna look at that. It's just kind of not organized at all. And I'll do a whole video on that. Now I just need to hang my little razor thing. There. I'll have to hang this thing up too, and we also got a little organizer for the corner here to put all my products in. So you might be wondering how I'm even lit up right now. I have my magnet right here. When I was out with my brother and my sister, my parents actually finished a lot of things in my apartment, so they hung up this thing so it doesn't, you know, come down and, you know, crush me. Then they just put some doorknobs on the cabinets, and they have my disco light up here, which, oh my gosh, it's like so weird because in here it's like completely white, and then out there I always have that pink hue, you know, because of my magnet. This night is my first night alone in my apartment. I don't really know what to do. Like, what do I do? Like, I might make a TikTok or something. Let's look at the view for a second. Down there we have the best view. There's the CN Tower. I'm not gonna say Eiffel Tower again. This is what my apartment is looking like. Stay tuned for a ton more content on it, like organizing and decorating and everything like that. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell if you guys are liking these apartment videos. I'm so freaking grateful that this is my apartment. Like, I literally just look at it and I'm like, wow, like that is actually insane. Thank you guys so much for this incredible opportunity. Like, I'm actually 400% serious. Thank you. Yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Did they clean the mirror? Oh no, okay, I have to clean the mirror, so just don't mind that. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.